Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today we're focusing on Brazil, the largest and most dynamic medical device market in Latin America. The market for cardiac arrhythmia therapies alone was valued at over $180 million in 2022 and is projected to grow significantly. We will explore this complex regulatory environment through the lens of a major player, Abbott, and its cardiac rhythm management, or CRM, devices like pacemakers and implantable defibrillators. Successfully navigating this market requires a deep understanding of its unique regulatory framework, managed by the Agência Nacional de Vigilância Sanitária, known as ANVISA. The cornerstone of Brazilian medical device regulation is Resolution RDC 751/2022, which has been in effect since March 1, 2023. This resolution aligns Brazil more closely with international standards and establishes a four-tier risk-based classification system. High-risk devices, such as Abbott's pacemakers and implantable cardioverter defibrillators, fall into Class 3 or Class 4. For manufacturers of these devices, the requirements are stringent. A critical first step is appointing a Brazilian registration holder, or BRH. This is a local entity legally responsible for the device registration, submission, and post-market surveillance. Foreign companies cannot directly register their products. They must work through a BRH, such as Abbott's own affiliate in São Paulo. Furthermore, manufacturers of Class 3 and 4 devices must obtain a Brazilian Good Manufacturing Practice, or B-GMP certificate. This is not a simple paperwork exercise. ANVISA often conducts on-site inspections of manufacturing facilities wherever they are located globally. To ensure compliance with Brazilian quality standards, the technical documentation required is comprehensive, and importantly, all labeling and instructions for use must be provided in Brazilian Portuguese to be compliant. However, a significant development occurred on June 3, 2024, with the implementation of a new Reliance pathway. This new rule allows ANVISA to leverage marketing authorizations from other globally recognized regulatory bodies, including the US FDA, Health Canada, Australia's TGA, and Japan's MHLW. For a company like Abbott, which holds approvals in these regions, this can substantially accelerate the review process for its high-risk cardiology devices in Brazil. It doesn't replace the need for a BRH or B-GMP certification, but it streamlines the technical review, making market access more efficient. This demonstrates a strategic shift by ANVISA to harmonize and expedite access for proven technologies. If your company needs help navigating the complexities of global market access in Brazil or other markets, please check out Pure Global, and be sure to check the description for free AI tools and our database. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.